information gathering using documents. And the tools that are used are Foca, Metagofill, GoFile, and Google Docs. Foca, it's a tool used mainly to find metadata and hidden information in the documents it scans. Metagofill, a tool for extracting metadata of public documents like PDF, Doc, XLS, and PPT available on the target websites. GoFile, it searches for a specific file type in a given domain. Google Docs, it provides file type specific search results. Let's have demonstration of each of them one by one. Foca Demonstration. Here we are talking about the tool called as Foca. For that we have some prerequisites. Let's install MySQL server. Here it is a version called as SQL Express. Let us continue with the installation process. Let's proceed with the installation process for new SQL server. Here is the instance of SQL which is mentioned as SQL Express. It talks about the account to be used for database engine and SQL Server browser. It asks for authentication mode, which we have selected Windows authentication. As you can see, it has succeeded in installing the SQL Server. Now visit the site 11paths.com. Here you have a Foca download link. It will redirect you to GitHub. Let's select the latest version of Foca. Here is the zip file. We'll download it. Now let's extract it. And here is the application. And we'll go with options. Let's have simultaneous downloads set to 5, the DNS search, recursion, etc., the DNS cache snooping, and general configuration. If you have API key for Google custom search, even for Shodan or Bing API, then you can enter it here and save it. Let's select the project name as Kali project. And the site we have selected here is kali.org. Select the appropriate folder for saving the documents and create it. Project saved successfully. Search engines to be used can be mentioned here, and the extensions or the file types that we need to search for can be mentioned here. Let's search it. As you can see, it has started searching for the files. You can select to download all the files. I have opted for the same. As you can see, it has started downloading those files. Here we will go to document analysis, files, and the files can be seen here. Also, you can collect information about domains. These are the different subdomains of this particular domain. The server details can be found here, and the IP address of them can be found here. It provides us information about the operating system used. the web server version, the DNS resolution information, and the fingerprinting option. Metagofill Demonstration. Let's have a look at Metagofill tool. We will install it using sudo apt install Metagofill, provide the password, and it starts the installation process. Let's clear the screen and execute with -h to get help. Let's clear the screen and execute Metagofill. -n is for number of downloads to do. -w is the actual file to be downloaded. -o is for output directory. -t is for the file types to search for and download. And finally, the domain name. Oops, we have to select -d for domain. And as you can see, it has started searching for 100.pdf files. Similarly, it will continue for .doc and other type of files. Now it is doing for .docx. .xls, .ppt, .ppts. Finally, it has done. Clear the screen and let's see the output directory. As you can see, there are plenty of files. Let's count the file. There are total 54 files that are downloaded. And here is the list of files that are downloaded. Foca Demonstration. Sudo apt install followed by gofile. It will start installation process. As you can see, we have completed the process. Clear the screen and execute the gofile with -h option. Here is the help. Here is the usage pattern. -h for help, -d for domain, -f is for file type, -k is for key to be used for Google custom search engine, -q is for query, -logging is the set the login verbosity to something other than info, which is again optional. Let's clear the screen and execute gofile -d for domain. Here we have selected kali.org followed by -f for file types PDF and execute it. It has provided us with the output and the URL to those PDF files. Let's try opening one of the link. As you can see over here, it has opened the PDF file. Google Docs demonstration. Let us go to google.com and search for file type :doc, and let's select site type as .com. Here are the results. There are almost 40,000 results. As you can find, here are all the doc files it's able to search. You can click the link and download the doc files. Let's take another example. Here we'll change the file type to XLS and the site to specific website. Let's say .microsoft.com. Let's search it. As you can find, it has found out 600 links with XLS files in it. If we click one of the link, you can see that we can download the file from the website.